Okay, so at Walmart today I got one of these. Yeah. For the cleaning, it's 6 alcohol prep pads, 3 antiseptic wipes. For treating, 3 single leaf wipes, essentials, a spinner remover. You can pause. How do I open this? Oh god, look at. Really? Huh. Oh yeah, I know what's in it, but I'm gonna open it so I just want to see what's in it. On. Okay. It does have the logo right there, as you can see. So yeah. Got both sides, really? This costs like 5 something? 5, 6 something, I guess. But it's nice to have something like this. You know, like a Yeep. And ready? Jeez, they put there's more glue on this than the glue man. Okay. So yeah. Anyway. This is in. Okay, it has for protect, it has 5 waterproof shear bandages. 5 shear bandages, 2 gauze for closures. Yeah, I just want to see what's in here anyway, because I want to rearrange it. So. What's this? Oh. Okay, so. Oh! Splinter remover. You know what that is? That is a disposable lancet. So yeah, it comes with one of these cheapo things right here. Here's drug facts, if y'all care. So yeah, quick video. I do have another video I'm about to record. So yeah, peace.